we're just a few days away from Thanksgiving, and I, Angela, am here with Chef Dawn of High Quality Organics. We wanted to share with you some super simple time-saving tips for your Thanksgiving Day celebration. Dawn, you have a tip about turkey.
I do, Angela. Oftentimes when I serve a whole turkey, there never seems to be enough turkey breast or white meat. So what I do for my guests is I buy an additional turkey breast from my local grocery store.
Nice.
They cook it to perfection. It's easy to slice, and everybody gets some turkey breast.
Wonderful. So do you heat this up again the day of Thanksgiving, or
Just
how would
before
you
serving, I do. I keep it refrigerated,
Okay.
and then I heat it up just before serving.
Wonderful.
You can just wrap it in foil, put
Okay.
it in the oven for the last 15 or 20 minutes to 30 minutes of your turkey roasting, if you like.
Okay.
And then just finish it in the warm it in the oven.
Perfect. So a super simple tip, and to make sure you don't run out of the most important ingredient of your Thanksgiving meal, turkey, right? Thanks so much, Dawn, for your tips. I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in to more of our daily tips leading up to Thanksgiving on our Facebook page.
Happy Thanksgiving.